Hey guys, welcome back to UpTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can remove Google Chat from Gmail. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Gmail. Next, you'll see this option. You have to click on this and click on that 3 lines. Scroll down a bit and you will see settings option. You have to click on that and click on your Gmail account from which Google Chat is logged in. Now you can see this and you will see chat option which is ticked with blue dot. You have to click on that and now your Google Chat is removed from Gmail. So this is how you remove your Google Chat from Gmail. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.